Please be careful during rotation. And
Outside the International Space Station, Expedition 25 flight engineers Fyodor Yurchikhin and Oleg Skripochka conducted a 6-hour, 27-minute spacewalk from the Russian Pirs Docking Compartment airlock, November 15, 2010. The spacewalk was the 151st in support of space station assembly and maintenance, the 5th in Yurchikhin's career, and the 1st for Skripochka.
Okay, copy. Okay, the battery is in motion. Copy. Inaudible.
Okay, give me this tether. I'll take it to the small diameter. Oh no, no need to do it now. We might need it while working here. Okay, you're right.
Skripochka is out of view on the other side of the Pirs module. It's still working to install those tethers or gap spanners.
Hook to the base of that small handrail. Look here, yes, exactly. Hold with your left hand, don't go down anymore. Look at the handrail that is hugging the spherical shell. Yes. Talking over each other. Okay. Fyodor.
This is Mission Control Houston, 3 hours and 32 minutes into today's spacewalk. We can see cosmonaut Oleg Skripochka working outside the station in his spacesuit with the blue stripes. Cosmonaut Fyodor Yurchikhin is out of view, wearing a spacesuit with red stripes.